Some nouns are general, and some nouns are specific. Today we learned the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. We know nouns name people, places, things, and ideas. But did you know there are two important types, common nouns and proper nouns? Let's find out what makes them different. A common noun is a general name. It doesn't refer to one specific person or place. It refers to any person, any place, anything. A proper noun names something specific, one particular person, one particular place, and proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Look at the pairs. Girl is general, Priya is specific. Country is general, India is specific. Same category, different type. Here is the most important rule. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Paris with a capital P is correct. Paris with a small p is wrong. Common nouns don't need capital letters unless they start a sentence. Boy, shop, river, car, all common nouns, all lowercase in the middle of a sentence. Now with proper nouns, Arjun, Nile, Honda. Each one names something specific, and each one starts with a capital letter, always. Proper nouns cover many categories, names of people, cities, countries, brands, days, months, languages, and titles. They are everywhere. Leo notices something clever. Doctor is a common noun, but Dr. Sharma is a proper noun. It names a specific person. Same idea, different type. Here's a tricky one. President is usually a common noun, but when it's used as a title before a name, it becomes a proper noun and gets a capital letter. Same with family titles. Mom is usually a common noun, but when you use it as a name, instead of saying the person's name, it becomes a proper noun. River alone is a common noun. It could be any river, but River Thames names a specific river, so it becomes a proper noun. The word river even gets a capital here. Game time. I'll show you a word, you decide, common noun or proper noun. First word, Sunday. Sunday is a proper noun. It names one specific day of the week. All days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, are proper nouns with capital letters. Next, mountain, common or proper. Think about it. Is it a general word or does it name one specific place? Mountain is a common noun. It refers to any mountain in general, but Mount Everest names one specific mountain. That's a proper noun. Here are three very common mistakes. City names, people's names, festival names. They are all proper nouns and must always have a capital letter. Let's recap. Common nouns are general, no capital needed. Proper nouns are specific, always use a capital letter. Simple, but very important. And that's Chapter 3. Common nouns are general, proper nouns are specific, and always start with a capital letter. See you in Chapter 4 for singular and plural nouns.